Founded in 1996, AZIA Grace Enterprise Company Limited is dedicated to the research, development, and manufacturing of power tools. To adapt with the changing tides and honor its social responsibility, AZIA Grace Enterprise is changing its manufacturing policy to focus on eco-friendly product development in hopes of innovating and revolutionizing the industry.
Do you know how many spray cans are sold in the worldwide annually? According to industrial statistics, they figure out 10.5 billion cans. That means every single day we just consume 28 million spray cans. And finally, let it become a trash. Yes, it is a big number and a quite issue of the environment problem. Our motivation to invent this refiller system is to provide the total solution to this issue. With confidence, we invite you to join us.
The refillable spray can is economical and eco-friendly for versatile refilling purposes. It's easy to use and safe. The can is made of durable, quality aluminum. Except corrosive chemicals, you can fill the can with almost any liquid. And as soon as the pressure level exceeds 85 to 115 psi, the air release valve will discharge overload pressure. Vaporized air is completely safe. AZIA Grace's refillable spray cans can accommodate many forms of refilling, including hand-free automatic refilling machine, air compression, and hand pumping. Our spray cans take approximately 18 seconds to complete refilling, and they guarantee to significantly boost production efficiency of your company.
私たちはエア工具の仕事をしております。頻繁に私もエアースプレー缶を使っておりますが、一人の使用者にとってコストの問題や使用済みのスプレー缶の処理の問題は大きな負担となっております。リフィーラーシステムのスプレー缶を再利用することができ、使用の便利さに加えてコストダウンにもつながります。この製品は環境に良い、地球に優しい製品です。一緒に環境問題の解決に力を合わせてみませんか。
AZIA Grace also offers ODM services, innovates and develops market-driven products, optimized customization services that combine cutting-edge technologies here in Taiwan and overseas. AZIA Grace's top-of-the-line facilities, SOP, and efficient production provide excellent solutions for all of its customers. Quality control is executed rigorously at AZIA Grace. Products are tested for durability and use. AZIA Grace's refiller machines and refillable spray cans have earned patents from the US, Europe, Japan, China, and Taiwan, and proven widely popular. AZIA Grace vows to continuously improve its technologies and quality to open up uncharted territory in Europe and North America and expand its global horizons with innovation, professionalism, and quality green products. A guardian for a green, high-tech future. AZIA Grace.